Snoring causes whoever is listening to wake up tired and deeply annoyed. On the other hand, if you are the snorer, your loud and uneven breathing makes you sleepy and drained during the day, as your productivity plummets and your own irritability hits the ceiling. To get things right, discover Good Niter. Good Niter is a mouth spray that quickly reduces the vibrations of the soft palate, helps congested airways open, which quickly makes breathing soundless and even, giving you and your partner more than 8 hours of deep sleep. Find out what it feels like to wake up perfectly rested. Please visit GoodNiter.com.